In this video, we shall learn about the Northern Plains of India. The Northern Plains of India is the second largest geographical division of India, the largest being the Indian Plateau. The North Indian Plain lies between Himalayas to the north and the Plateau region to the south. It has an area of 6,77,638 square kilometers. This plain is mainly made up of alluvium deposits brought down by the Himalayan rivers. The North Indian Plain stretches from Rajasthan in the west to Assam Valley in the east. It has a total length of 2,400 kilometers. The width varies between 150 to 500 kilometers. The North Indian Plain has an average elevation of 150 meters, whereas Himalayas, the average height is 6,000 meters. The plateau region of India is between 300 to 900 meters, and the coastal plains, the elevation varies between 5 to 30 meters. The North Indian Plain is divided into Rajasthan Plain, which is generally studied as a separate physical division of India. Then Western Plain, which covers the state of Punjab and Haryana. Central Plain, which covers the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Eastern Plain, which covers Brahmaputra Valley and the Delta region, which is popularly known as Sundarban Delta. The Rajasthan Plain lies to the west of Aravalli Range. This region is divided into two parts, the Marusthali and Bagar region. Marusthali is the actual desert region. It stretches from Rann of Kutch up to Punjab and Haryana. It is 650 kilometers long and 300 kilometers wide. This region is now characterized by shifting sand dunes, extreme climatic conditions, sparse vegetation, and thin population. The sand dunes are classified as Seef and Barkhan on the basis of their shape, size, and wind direction. The Rajasthan Plain slopes towards west and south. The northeastern part of the region has an average elevation of 300 meters, while the southeastern part is less than 150 meters. There are many small scattered hillocks making the western edge of the Bagar. Rajasthan Bagar refers to the semi-arid region. So Marusthali refers to the desert region and Bagar region refers to the semi-desert regions. This region lies to the east of Marusthali. This region is further subdivided as Luni Basin because this region is drained by river Luni and its tributaries. Then the Shekhawati region. This was the regions of Shekhawati Rajputs. Then the Ghaggar Plain. This region is known as Ghaggar Plain because river Ghaggar, an inland river, terminates in this region. After the Rajasthan Plains comes the Western Plain, which mainly covers the states of Punjab and Haryana. Geologically speaking, the region is of recent origin. It is formed of sediments brought down by Himalayan rivers. The plain is bounded by Shivalik Range in the north, Rajasthan Desert in the south, Pakistan in the west, and Delhi Ridge in the east. The region slopes to the south and southwest. Its elevation varies between 275 meters in the northeast and 175 meters in the southwest. This plain is a fertile alluvial plain with many rivers and an extensive canal irrigation. A belt of undulating hills extending along the northeastern part of the region along the foothills of Himalayas. The northern part of the region is drained by the river Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. The areas between Yamuna and Satluj is occupied by the river Ghaggar. River Ghaggar rises in the outer Himalayas, that is Shivalik range, and flows through Haryana and then goes to Rajasthan. Then comes the Central Plain. The Central Plain is the world's most extensive plain of uninterrupted alluvium formed by the deposition of silt by numerous rivers. The major rivers in this region are the Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, Gomati, Ghagra, and Kosi. The plains are flat, making it conducive for irrigation through canals. Based on the depositions brought down by the rivers, four different types of regions develop, and they are Bhabar, Tarai, Khadar, and Bhangar. Whenever there is heavy rainfall in the mountains, streams develop and they join to form rivers. These rivers come down with great force and they bring along with them stones. So at the foothills of Himalayas, there are regions where there is accumulation of stones, pebbles, gravels, and sand. These regions are known as Bhabar. Beyond this region lies the Tarai belt, and these are marshy lands. Now, in the northern plains, wherever the rivers are flowing, in the adjoining areas, there is continuous deposition of fresh alluvium soil, and these are known as Khadar. But when this soil is pushed away and they become old, are known as regions of Bhangar. The rivers in the northern plains are responsible for formation of various geographical features such as Doab. The regions lying between two rivers is known as Doab. For example, river Ganga and Yamuna form Doab. Similarly, because of the gentle slope of the North Indian plains, there are regions where the rivers move in a zigzag manner. These are known as meanders. And whenever a part of the river separates, they are known as oxbow lakes. So meanders are in a way responsible for the formation of oxbow lakes. The entire central plain can be further divided as the upper Ganga plain, the middle Ganga plain, and the lower Ganga plain. The upper Ganga plain extends up to an average 550 kilometers in length and an average 380 kilometers in width. It is located in western Uttar Pradesh. The middle Ganga plain extends up to an average of 600 kilometers in length and an average of 330 kilometers in width. It is located in eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The lower Ganga plain is located in West Bengal. The next comes the delta region. First of all, let us understand what is a delta. Whenever we take up a river in the final stage, that is at the mouth of the river, it divides into different distributaries or channels. The triangular shaped land between the distributaries is called as delta. The Ganga Delta is also known as the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta or the Sundarbans. It extends in the West Bengal and Bangladesh. It is one of the most fertile regions in the world and is called the Green Delta. The delta stretches from the Hooghly River to the Meghna River. It is approximately 350 kilometers wide at the Bay of Bengal. Deltas are also formed by rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Let's come to the Eastern Plain. Now, this Eastern Plain is a continuation of the Great Plain of India. It is a well demarcated physical unit in the northeastern part of India. The valley includes the whole of Assam, which is drained by Brahmaputra River. This valley is formed by Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Now, the general elevation of the valley ranges from 130 meters in the east to 30 meters in the west. Geologically, the valley is formed by the deposition of alluvium, which is about 1,500 meters thick. Brahmaputra is the lifeline of Assam. The river with steep gorges and rapids in Arunachal Pradesh enters Assam with tributaries and creates a floodplain, that is, regions that are flooded in the rainy season. The Assam Valley is 80 to 100 kilometers wide and about 1,000 kilometers long.